example. Letter A, 24 times 33. 3 times 4 is 12. Write 2 on the ones place, carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1, 7. Write 7 on the tens place. 3 times 4 is 12. Write 2 on the tens place, carry 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1, 7. Write 7 here. Now, to get the product of this example, let us now add 72 plus 72 equals, since there is nothing to add with 2, let us bring down 2. Now, 7 plus 2 is 9. Write 9 on the tens place. Since there is nothing to add with 7, bring down 7. So the product is 792. Next, letter B, 695 times 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Write 0 on the ones place, carry 1. 2 times 9 is 18. Plus 1, 19. Write 9 on the tens place, carry 1. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 1, 13. Write 13 here. So, the product of 695 times 2 is 1,390. Since we are just multiplying 695 by 2, I will show you another solution by simply adding 695 plus 695 equals, let's try. 5 plus 5 is 10. Write 0 on the ones place, carry 1. 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 1, 19. Write 19 on the tens place, carry 1. 6 plus 6 is 12. Plus 1, 13. Write 13 here. Do they look the same, classmates? The product of 695 by times 2 is the same as the sum of 695 plus 695. Next, letter C. Let us now multiply 489 times 61. Let's do it! 1 times 9 is 9. Write 9 on the ones place. 1 times 8 is 8. Write 8 on the tens place. 1 times 4 is 4. Write 4 on the hundreds place. Take note, classmates, if you multiply any number with 1, the answer will be the same number itself. 6 times 9 is 51. Is 54. Write 4 on the tens place, carry 5. 6 times 8 is 48. Plus 5, 53. Write 3 on the hundreds place, carry 5. 6 times 4 Let us bring down 9. 8 plus 4 is 12. Plus, write 2. Write 2. Write 2 on the tens place. Carry 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. Plus 1, 8. Write 8 here. Since there is nothing to add with 2 and 9, let us bring down 2 and 9. So the total product of 489 times 61 is 29